kind of thing where you could tell it to do kind of a wide range of tasks.
It's hard to believe, but Elon Musk seems to be right. Optimus will get 4 new updates that'll allow it to do things it's never done before. This is the reason why many people are waiting to order it. Just think about it. You only have to spend about 20 grand, while the amount of money this robot brings in is up to hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. So, what will it actually do when you bring it home? It all depends on these big 4 updates. It's easy to see that Tesla has come a long way in a short period of time in its efforts to get its humanoid robots into the hands of consumers as soon as possible. There's no denying that there's still a lot of work to be done before Optimus is ready for sale, especially given the utility it can provide. Even at a price of only $20,000, Optimus will become a toy if the benefits it brings cannot meet the expectations of customers. So to achieve more utility, Elon Musk has talked about quite a few new updates for his humanoid robot this year. But among them, there are 4 big updates that we think are really worth it and take Optimus to the next level. Number 1. Optimus will get a movement speed upgrade. In the recent episodes we've done about the benefits and roles of Optimus for both Tesla and consumers, the majority acknowledge the progress Tesla has made with its robot. However, a significant issue that everyone's particularly concerned about is why Optimus Tesla still walks and moves at the pace of a certain president. Speaking of gait, if you pay attention to some other humanoid robots from Boston Dynamics, Unitree, or Kepler's Forerunner, they all have a bent knee gait similar to Tesla's Optimus. In fact, manufacturers are required to design them this way because when the robot is in a bent knee posture, it helps lower the center of gravity, making it easier for the robot to maintain balance. The lower center of gravity allows the robot to adjust its posture quickly when there are sudden changes in position or when walking on uneven surfaces. More importantly, Optimus uses its crouch to save energy when moving. Keeping the knee joint slightly bent can help reduce the torque needed for the motors, thereby saving energy. So we think we should not criticize its walking posture too much, but focus more on its speed. In fact, from Optimus Gen 1 to 2, Tesla increased the movement speed by 30% for its latest version. But we also learned that after the Gen 2 launch, a silent update followed that allowed for another 30% increase in movement speed, meaning that Tesla engineers have increased the movement speed of this robot by 60% since the time of the prototype release. However, it seems that this improvement is not particularly significant compared to other competing robots. Currently, Optimus is confirmed to move at a speed of 0.6 meters a second, equivalent to 1.34 miles an hour. In vids where Optimus is moving, it takes 132 steps in 78 seconds, averaging 1.67 steps a second, with a stride length of just over a foot. Compared to competitors that mostly achieve 2 meters a second, this is a major performance gap for Optimus. The slower speed can affect its competitiveness because most buyers, including us, prefer a mobile, agile robot as it reflects the overall efficiency of the joints, drivetrain, sensors, and battery pack. But don't worry too much, because Elon and Optimus's engineers have confirmed a major update to the upgrade of the movement speed of the robot, Musk said.
And I think we've got kind of like one major hardware revision, which should be done by end of this year.
As Elon Musk said in Tesla's shareholders meeting, this implies that Tesla's working on an upgraded version or a major change in this hardware design of the Tesla Optimus robot. We think Gen 3, and they plan to complete it before the end of the year, coinciding with a 1-year anniversary of the Gen 2 launch. You may not know, but upgrading the hardware means 100% improved movement joints because the hardware will include skeleton frame, actuators, joints, sensors, and battery. All these parts play a core role in giving Optimus movement speed. For example, Tesla's upgrade to a stronger and lighter motor helps Tesla's robot move many times faster and smoother. Meanwhile, on X, Tesla's Optimus engineering expert, Milan Kovac, has confirmed that Optimus's speed will still be upgraded to make it go faster. And not stopping there, he also confirmed that Optimus can handle more adverse terrain, meaning that besides environments with a lot of machines like Tesla's Gigafactory, it can also move skillfully even in smaller spaces like houses, stairs, and roads. Although the improvement's quite a big one, the team confirms that it will not lose its human-like nature. This is why we appreciate the talent and experience that the Tesla team has going on for it. Considering a scenario when Tesla maintains a 30% increase in speed for the next 3 months and repeats this process until launch in late 2025, the upgrade rate could be 3 or 4 times the initial 30% increase. This points to the potential for significant speed improvements for Optimus over time, eventually hitting the 5-mile-an-hour target, which is the first major upgrade we're talking about. While speed and legs are important, it would be better if Tesla had optimized more of the upper body, especially Optimus's hands. This is especially important because without a high-end human-like hand, walking speed is irrelevant. The hand is the primary tool for performing intricate and complex tasks, from gripping objects to operating devices. If Optimus cannot manipulate with its hands flexibly and accurately, then its ability to move quickly also becomes meaningless. Therefore, perfecting and upgrading the hands should be prioritized in Tesla's development process. 2. Optimus will have the best new hand in the world. Do you believe that even without upgrades, Optimus's hand is still something very different from the other humanoid robots out there? Few robots have a full 5-fingered hand, not to mention the numbers of degrees of freedom that they possess. Most only have the crab-like hands, 3 fingers, 4 at most. It's rare to see a 5-fingered hand, despite the increasing number of humanoid robots from both North America and China. It's not hard to guess that the 5 fingers are meant to make Optimus as human-like as possible, which also facilitates in adding more degrees of freedom to Optimus's hands.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
Every time we hear this promise from Elon, the future becomes clearer than ever. A hand that can prepare a sandwich for breakfast, then fold all the clothes in the closet, clean the kitchen, and play a beautiful Moonlight Sonata. Yeah, of course, that's not done by a human. It's all done by a robot's hand. You cannot imagine how crazy a robot with 22 degrees of freedom will be. We think some people may not understand degrees of freedom. Let's repeat. I hope you don't mind. Degrees of freedom refers to the number of independent movements that a robot or mechanism can perform. In the context of humanoid robots, degrees of freedom represent the ability of joints in different parts of the robot's body to move. Multiple degrees of freedom allow the robot hand to perform complex movements that mimic human hand movements, like grasping objects of different shapes and sizes, writing letters, or performing delicate manipulations. This is why the Tesla bot can easily perform tasks that require precision and flexibility, such as in the medical, manufacturing, or service industries.
So you could say, pick up a cup, pick up a shirt, fold the shirt. These things will generalize, I think, quite quickly.
Therefore, it's no coincidence that Musk confidently puts thousands of these robots to work in Tesla's factory. No one's crazy enough to bring useless toys to make the factory more crowded. You understand? Currently, the 11 degrees of freedom in the hand is almost double that of many other humanoid robots that only achieve 5 or 6 degrees of freedom. NVIDIA's senior research manager and lead of embodied AI, Jim Fan, noted that Optimus's hands are among the best in the industry. Yeah, we're doing everything with our hands with a total of 27 degrees of freedom. The 22 degrees of freedom in Optimus's hands will definitely be second only to human hands, that's for sure. We're pretty confident that these 22 degrees of freedom will mean that Optimus Gen 3 is coming, as Musk talked about, our next generation instead of next update. This is further evidence that a more advanced version is ready to launch later this year. Now, on to the next update that we believe everyone will be excited about regarding Optimus. Musk has directly spoken about this crazy capability in the Tesla 2024 shareholder meeting. Now, imagine if Optimus could respond to you like Apple's Siri, but even much better because it can not only speak, but actually do the described actions. 3. Optimus will be added with languages and voices.
We'll be able to customize the personality, customize the voice. And really kind of the robot will kind of get to know you as well and know your preferences. You won't even have to say things because it'll just kind of understand you.
You might not know yet, but Tesla is very likely to commercialize Optimus robot worldwide. Recently, Tesla brought Optimus Gen 2 to a conference in China, hoping to demonstrate the robot's capabilities and showcase what the company is researching in robotics and AI. Therefore, if Optimus is to be sold globally, it must support multiple language models. Elon's officially confirmed this will indeed be included in the upcoming update for Optimus. Currently, Tesla has not put too much inside the head of Optimus. It's quite empty when it's mainly 2D cameras inside. According to Kovac, he said that the 2D cameras allow connection to the neural network so that Optimus can perform useful tasks by observing objects and the environment. Many opinions say that Tesla will develop a face that'll have an interactive screen that allows communication and information display, and this info display screen can replace the voice. However, this may not seem right. We believe that being able to make Optimus speak is not something that'd be a big hurdle for a giant manufacturer like Tesla. Simply, Tesla just needs to add a microphone and speaker for Optimus to gather sounds from the surrounding environment, listen to human speech. To analyze, understand, and generate natural language, there's natural language processing software which can be used in conjunction with the deep learning models available on Optimus to understand the context and respond appropriately. If this is true, as Elon said, the owner can customize Optimus's language, communication speed, depending on the language set. Not only diversifying the language model, Elon also frankly shared that we can create an Optimus robot that accurately reflects our personality, habits, and behavior, and more precisely, Optimus is going to be like a useful assistant. Normally, other humanoid robots take months, even years to get used to new jobs, and you even have to directly control it. But with Optimus, according to Elon, users don't need to give detailed instructions. This robot can automatically understand and react according to the owner's context and habits. Optimus has the ability to predict and act only after a short time of interaction, which is really incredible. For example, if you point to the refrigerator and then point to the cup, it'll immediately bring you a beer. Just kidding. Anyway, the final and most important update to make Tesla's Optimus surpass all its competitors is to optimize its self-learning ability, or rather, artificial intelligence, before launching in the market. 4. Optimus will continue to be AI optimized.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
Last month, we saw footage of Tesla's Optimus dropping 4680 battery cells during sorting, and it only took a few seconds to automatically fix the error, showing that Tesla has reached a pretty quick milestone with its robot self-learning capabilities. Also, in the Tesla Shareholder 2024 meeting, Musk mentioned that by 2026, Optimus will be capable of performing a wide range of tasks, including those it's never been programmed for before. This opens up a future full of potential and surprises. Currently, Optimus still requires training, but in the next few years, training will become less necessary. Simply watching videos or observing others perform tasks will be sufficient. To achieve this, Tesla will focus significantly on developing Optimus's ability to learn autonomously this year. Through its video and controls out neural network, Optimus feeds on video data, processes it, and automatically determines its actions. It's a world where seeing truly translates to doing. It's not just about machinery. Tesla leverages an end-to-end neural network, encapsulating everything from data intake to decision-making, all driven by real-world AI. We all know that Tesla's Optimus has a special integration with full self-driving FSD software found in Tesla's electric vehicles, or more precisely, FSDs embedded within Optimus. However, unlike Tesla owners who get free updates for FSD, users must subscribe to receive Optimus software updates because each update significantly increases the number of utilities and tasks that Optimus can perform. For example, initially it might pick up a shirt, then fold it, and eventually put it away in the closet. According to Elon Kovac on X about what the Tesla team's doing with Optimus's software system, they are focusing on repeatability across the fleet, training the neural net to deal with dynamic calibration and small bot-to-bot variants. Ultimately, we're going to see a lot of crazy AI-powered things between now and when it's officially available for sale or lease. While working on this episode, it did occur to us at some point in the future that Optimus could monitor your emotional state and then call your family or friends to let them know how you're doing, or if you're showing signs of depression or other mental health conditions like a stroke. More excitingly, it could also alert you to high blood pressure and heart rate. Meanwhile, millions of people will surely dream of having an Optimus to care for their parents full-time. It'd be incredibly useful in alleviating a lot of stress for elderly individuals whose kids have to leave home to pick up prescriptions or groceries, or handle any other daily tasks they currently manage alone. However, in the end, Optimus needs to truly be affordable for the masses who may not have that much money to buy one, along with having a sufficient utility for a variety of tasks. In a few of our episodes, many people admitted that they plan to rent this bot right away to test to see if it could actually help them out in their busy lives, especially as they get older and things start getting harder. They also admitted that they can't afford to spend $20,000 to $60,000 on a toy to play with. So let's finally look forward to seeing what Tesla Optimus will be like in the future, especially with its updates. Morgan Stanley analysts studied Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus and how AI is transforming robotics. They concluded that the capabilities of humanoids will be far bigger and faster than autonomous cars. AI is driving transformational change in robotics, analysts at the firm proclaimed. We believe the humanoids' opportunity is far bigger and faster adopting than autonomous cars, and we'll see a greater quantum of capital behind it. Tesla's at the epicenter of the theme. Investors may need to add new tabs to their Excel models. Analysts believe that it's human-like robots that'll be important in our world, since the world's already been created for people and by them and adapted to them. Morgan Stanley stated that against the backdrop of a theoretical $30 trillion global labor market, their USTAM model forecasts a humanoid population of 8 million units by 2040. That's a $357 billion wage impact, and 63 million units by 2050. That one is a $3 trillion wage impact, according to investing.com. Meanwhile, at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting in 2024, Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk said he believes humanoids will eventually outnumber humans by 2 to 1 or even more.
I think the ratio of humanoid robots to humans will probably be at least 2 to 1, something like that. 1 to 1 for sure, so, which means like somewhere on the order of 10 billion humanoid robots, maybe 20 or 30.
With Optimus, Tesla is leading us into a future where robots transcend traditional boundaries, not only obeying commands, but making informed decisions based on vast amounts of input data. This represents a paradigm shift, not just in robotics, but in our understanding of autonomy and machine intelligence. As Optimus takes its strides, we have to sit and ask ourselves, are we on the brink of a world where robots are no longer mere tools, but now intelligent collaborators? We have to ask, what do you think about the 4 updates that Elon Musk will make in the coming time? And what features are you expecting to see? In a future where robots become ubiquitous, numbering up to 20 billion globally, Elon Musk envisions Optimus as a versatile household companion capable of performing various tasks. From walking the dog to baking bread and even soothing a child to sleep, Optimus is designed to be a fully functional and universal humanoid robot that will handle 39% of all household tasks. So, what key features enables Tesla's Bot Gen 2 to execute household chores flawlessly? How will Tesla Bot Gen 2 learn from tasks and improve its performance immediately upon being assigned tasks? It seems like technological constraints were behind this delay, which might mean Optimus wouldn't hit the market until 2027. However, as we understand it, Optimus robots could start rolling out as early as 2025, while many of the tasks Optimus is expected could prove useful. Tesla's humanoid robot is an extremely complex machine, blending multiple disciplines like electromechanics, dynamic control algorithms, compliant actuator design, energy consumption optimization, autonomous path planning, and perceptual motion planning. Now, as it becomes a household companion capable of smooth interaction and task recognition when assigned duties, Elon has upgraded Optimus before its market release. With Tesla Bot's hardware design resembling that of a human, weighing approximately 60 kilograms and standing 170 centimeters tall, it can operate for many hours without needing recharging. Furthermore, Optimus can follow voice commands to perform various tasks, including complex actions like picking up objects. With its structure, it can lift weights up to 20 kilograms, but this decreases to 10 kilograms when its arms are fully extended. Optimus is designed with human-like hands, offering high dexterity and flexibility. The Tesla robot features 2 legs and can move at a maximum speed of 8 kilometers an hour. Optimus is equipped with 40 electric actuators, including 12 in the arms, 2 in the neck and torso, 12 in the legs, and 12 in the hands. With this distribution, Optimus is capable of agile and flexible task execution, ensuring optimal completion of assigned duties. Tesla's Optimus features its own brain or central processing unit supported by an AI chip containing a trained neural network. Gen 2 of the Tesla Bot also leverages AI technologies such as deep learning and computer vision, along with cameras and autonomous driving sensors, to perceive and navigate its surroundings. Optimus also includes a visual navigation system managed by end-to-end artificial neural networks fully trained for locomotion. It is loaded with a library of natural motion references, Essentially, recorded human movements like picking up a box off a shelf and a map that maps motion data, optimized to adapt to real world movements for Optimus. Because Tesla's robot utilizes the same AI system as the company's vehicle, it can remember to enhance future interactions. Additionally, the robot has a screen on its face to display the necessary information during perceptual interactions. Some of Tesla's core features are embedded in the robot, such as autonomous computing, autonomous driving, an AI toolkit, neural network planning, object labeling automation, and more. Sensors function as the eyes and ears of the humanoid robot, continuously gathering data about its surrounding environments. Here, we highlight several crucial types of sensors that Tesla robots excel in. Firstly, visual sensors to enhance perception. The robot is equipped with cameras, enabling precise tasks such as image recognition and environmental navigation. Advanced versions may utilize specialized navigation sensors like infrared cameras, LiDAR, or ultrasonic sensors to map the surrounding environments and enable autonomous movement. Optimus will undertake the task of identifying objects of interest in an image and recognizing which category they belong to. When they see an object or scene, they automatically distinguish different instances and link them to specific definitions. However, visual recognition is an extremely complex task for machines, requiring substantial processing power. Image recognition using artificial intelligence has been a long-standing research challenge in the field of computer vision. While various methods to simulate human vision have been developed, the common goal of image recognition is to classify detected objects into different categories. In recent years, Bot Gen 2's image recognition methods have achieved optimal performance in terms of processing speed, frames per second or FPS, and flexibility. Additionally, image detection involves the risk of taking an image as input and identifying various objects within it. The objective of image detection is solely to distinguish one object from another to determine how many entities are in the image. Therefore, bounding boxes are drawn around each separate object. On the other hand, image recognition involves identifying objects of interest in the image and categorizing them into classes or types. This ensures accuracy before Optimus executes the task assigned by humans. Sound sensors, microphones, allow the robot to detect and interpret sound. This capability is essential for responding to voice commands, identifying potential hazards such as alarms, and even detecting user emotions based on voice signals. Besides, motion sensors will encoders and accelerometers track the robot's positions and motion, enabling precise control and stable operation. Additionally, Tesla integrates force tactile sensors, which interact physically using electrical signals to measure the charge resulting from mechanical deformation, that's pressure and bending in a specific direction. To execute actions, Tesla robots require drive systems that translate information received from sensors into physical motion. These drive systems include hydraulic, magnetic, thermal, or most commonly, electric drives. Electric drive systems, utilizing electric motors, power various functions of the robot, from leg movements to complex arm motions akin to those of a robotic chef. Pneumatic drive systems, operating with compressed air, deliver high power and speed, typically used in applications requiring strong impact forces, such as in manufacturing environments. Another crucial aspect of robot operation is sensor infusion, which involves combining and processing data from multiple sensors to gain a comprehensive understanding of the environment. This enables the robot to make informed decisions and react efficiently to complex situations. Sensors and drive systems must work together seamlessly to ensure the robot can perform tasks flawlessly. Thanks to sensor fusion, Tesla's Optimus can quickly recognize and respond to changes in its environment, thereby executing tasks with utmost accuracy and efficiency. These factors not only make Optimus agile and responsive, but also ensure tasks are completed with high precision and optimal timing. Elon Musk consistently emphasizes one of the main applications is integrating Tesla robots into households to perform specific tasks. The robot will build a comprehensive understanding of its environment, enhanced by sharing 3D scans of the home and its perception abilities. Moreover, the bot will familiarize itself with the profiles of family members, recognizing their habits, preferences, and needs, thereby promoting personalized interactions. Tesla Bot's interaction capabilities and AI are developed to achieve perfection in visual clarity and communication. Utilizing an advanced voice interface supported by a large language model, that's an LLM, the Tesla bot can communicate with humans naturally and effectively. The bot also interacts with nearby peripherals, enabling access to cloud based servers or resources. With regular updates to its inference models, the bot stays current with the latest developments, ensuring high performance and adaptability. The interaction between humans and the Gen 2 Tesla bot is natural and intuitive, with the LLM playing a crucial role. Natural language conversation helps the bot interpret human intent and provide timely information or perform tasks. Furthermore, using a large AI model, LAM, helps the robot learn to decode body language with facial expressions, creating a more engaging interaction experience for users. Optimus utilizes AI technology to comprehend human text or speech data when it listens, enabling it to receive tasks and respond using its own text or voice. Natural language processing, NLP, fundamentally changes how automation processes are conducted and interacts with users to become more convenient and understandable. Natural language is how humans communicate with each other, encompassing words and phrases used in daily conversations to express anything. It represents the data that computers are striving to understand, whether in text or spoken form and across any language. Processing involves extracting meaning from this data, achieved through various methods, but always with the goal of interpreting the information into a form computers can use to comprehend, transmit, and execute tasks as instructed by the user. Tesla Bot's AI inference capabilities enable it to solve problems and make informed decisions, including planning and executing complex tasks. The bot can adapt to new events and learn from experience to enhance its performance. This is complemented by reinforcement learning, allowing the bot to learn through trial and error, guided by human feedback. As a result, the Gen 2 bot can personalize its behavior according to individual user preferences and continually improve its efficiency. These factors combined enable Optimus to execute tasks flawlessly. The integration of advanced AI, inference capabilities, and learning from human feedback, along with natural and intuitive interaction, ensures that Optimus not only completes tasks, but also enhances performance and user satisfaction over time. Research and simulations by researchers have demonstrated that the Tesla Optimus robot, equipped with diverse task capabilities based on its arms, can enhance efficiency in assembly and automation processes. With 2 arms capable of movement, collaboration with humans, and safety features, Optimus boasts 6 degrees of freedom, a 10-kilogram payload capacity, and a 1,000-millimeter reach per arm. Its hand, resembling a human hand with 5 fingers, enables precise execution of complex tasks. Tesla is structured into 5 workstations, with 2 operated by robots and 3 manually operated. After determination, the initial task type, robot or manual, the tuning process establishes balance within the workflow. Lean assembly balancing ensures no station becomes a bottleneck, minimizing idle time and optimizing busy periods. Numerous simulations have aided researchers in crucial steps such as assembly layout design and workflow balancing, estimating cycle times for robot tasks, validating kinematics, and assessing the economic impact of using robots in assembly lines. Results indicate that the Tesla Optimus robot can reduce assembly time for manual tasks by up to 75%. However, according to task interdependencies, only 60% of the total tasks in the study were automated. Additionally, material handling tasks, constituting a total of 60 minutes per shift, were also automated. In-depth analysis reveals that employing the Tesla Optimus robot in simple tasks yields numerous benefits, including increased productivity and reduced labor time. However, challenges lie in ensuring smooth coordination between automated and manual tasks to avoid bottlenecks and optimize task execution processes. The fact that only 60% of tasks were automated highlights areas for improvement and optimization. The integration of manual and automated tasks, coupled with continuous process refinement, will facilitate optimal balance and maximize the potential of robots in households. Automating the process of selecting and placing components is crucial in Tesla's robot applications. This task requires the ability to identify parts from task recognition and transport them to the workstation accurately and efficiently. Proper orientation during component placement is essential to ensure accuracy and efficiency in the bot's workflow. Tesla's humanoid robot can utilize imaging technologies and sensors to recognize and select components. This not only speeds up processing, but also ensures high accuracy in the selection process. Once the necessary components are identified, the robot can use gripping systems or other manipulators to transport them to the workstation. Subsequently, scheduling when and how each task is performed is a complex task requiring high accuracy and reliability. Tesla's robot can employ motion control and position control technologies to ensure that tasks are executed at the right time, place, and orientation without human intervention. This helps optimize workflow, minimize errors, and increase labor efficiency. So, what challenges will Optimus face when performing assigned tasks in your home? Returning to the application of Tesla robots in households promises many attractive possibilities, but also confronts significant challenges. Firstly, computational resources are crucial. Tesla's AI-supported robots require substantial computing resources, which can come from edge computing, where the robot contains its processing power, or from the cloud. Balancing between these two options is essential to ensure optimal robot performance. Secondly, communication poses a major challenge. Robots require strong and stable communication channels to effectively receive and respond to instruction. However, limitations in home networks can lead to delays, disconnects, and reduced performance. Thirdly, issues of safety, privacy, and ethical concerns of robots are becoming increasingly important as they get more sophisticated. Researchers need to address issues related to safety protocols, data privacy, cybersecurity, and potential biases in AI algorithms. Developing robust testing capabilities to detect unintended outcomes is also crucial to ensure that robots operate safely and responsibly in our homes. These factors need careful consideration and resolution to maximize benefits and minimize risks when applying Tesla robots in households. Why are robotics startups appealing but unable to achieve the growth rate of Tesla? Elon shared at the shareholder meeting why he believes startup robot companies will struggle to keep up with Tesla. He stated that creating Optimus as a startup robot is highly challenging. To make Optimus function, Tesla had to design electric vehicles from scratch, starting from zero. Every component of the robot, including the motor, gearbox, sensors, power electronics, and communication systems, had to be designed from the ground up. Elon also emphasized that there's no existing supply chain for these types of motors, sensors, and gearboxes needed for a humanoid robot. While there are many electric motors produced worldwide, there's no supply chain for these specialized components. Therefore, designing each gearbox, motor, and sensor from scratch is incredibly difficult for a startup company, if not impossible. However, at Tesla, they have the world's best electrical engineering teams to accomplish this task. Tesla has the resources to accomplish this. They've got mechanical engineering expertise for gearboxes, electric motors, and electronics. They also possess efficient energy inference and computing, essential for Optimus. AI is crucial, and Tesla is regarded as the best in the world in AI. To create an appealing robot, a strong toolkit and large-scale manufacturing capability are necessary to ensure costs remain manageable. Prototyping is much easier than mass production, and Tesla has the capability in both hardware and software manufacturing. Tesla holds a significant advantage with its internal technical strength and financial resources. They employ top engineers and have the capacity to spend billions from their reserves if necessary. With over $26 billion in the bank, Tesla has the financial and technical capability that startup companies lack. Elon believes that there will be another hardware iteration before Optimus goes into mass production next year, with a final design ready by the end of this year or early next year. Tesla also has a unique case for robots that no one else has, providing them a significant edge in developing Optimus. Manufacturers are currently developing robots for others, requiring them to collaborate with companies that will purchase robots to improve their repetitive tasks according to customer preferences. This mirrors how Figure AI is partnering with BMW, jointly determining what the robot needs to do and improving it together to enhance its performance. However, Tesla isn't just a robot manufacturer, but also a robot customer. Their robots are used in Tesla's automotive and battery factories, so they don't need to collaborate with other companies to identify use cases for robots. They can conduct all testing, training, and deployment internally and iterate on robot improvements within their own operations. This autonomy allows Tesla to be self-reliant and swiftly address any arising issues. Tesla currently operates 2 robots effectively within their factories. These robots perform daily tasks and continually improve, becoming faster and more efficient over time. If any issues arise, Tesla can promptly resolve them without external intervention. All tasks are handled by Tesla, akin to having a single chef in a kitchen, optimizing processes and work outcomes. Optimus Gen 2 will become the ideal household robot mayor by utilizing smart recognition and processing technologies. With the ability to identify objects and understand commands from natural language, Optimus can autonomously perform tasks such as house cleaning, family scheduling, and assisting in children's education. Thanks to its intelligent interaction and responsive capabilities, Optimus not only efficiently manages daily chores, but also brings convenience and satisfaction to the household, playing a crucial role in promoting progress and user satisfaction.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
Elon Musk just talked about Optimus and tried to imagine if you could play a cooking video for it to watch, and it would immediately go to the kitchen and cook that dish. How crazy would that be? You wouldn't need to go to restaurants and spend hundreds of dollars every week anymore. Instead, you could just spend under $20,000 to buy a Tesla Optimus, and it would be your lifelong chef. Musk mentioned that Tesla could manufacture each Optimus for about $10,000, with costs confirmed to be less over time. Eventually, these will be available in stores for $15,000, which seems unbelievable, but it is true. So, what can Optimus really do, and why is it a huge profit opportunity? To achieve a low price for Optimus, there are many reasons, but we must tell you that Tesla may only incur about $10,000 in cost to produce each Optimus because it's entirely internally manufactured, from the battery to the motor and the transmission and the arm, leg, and hand, meaning costs are not heavily reliant on suppliers. Meanwhile, Tesla can estimate achieving the best price for each Optimus. Of course, producing at lower cost doesn't necessarily mean Tesla will sell their humanoid robots at a lower price. They could still introduce them at higher prices like $50,000, $72,000, or even $100,000 because the benefits these robots bring over time may outweigh the initial cost. However, Elon Musk might still decide to sell them cheaper because he believes everyone will eventually need one Optimus, perhaps even more than one. As we know, Optimus is currently in Gen 2 version and will soon be upgraded to the Gen 3 version. Let's hear what Musk has to say.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
Yeah, so Musk mentioned our next generation instead of next update, hinting that what we're witnessing now isn't the final product ready for market. This implies Tesla could potentially commercialize at least 3 versions of Optimus: Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3. Earlier, we discovered Tesla is concurrently developing both Gen 1 and Gen 2 Optimus in their research facilities. This hypothesis leads us to consider the value proposition for each generation, suggesting different versions of the robot. Listen to this. In case Elon Musk actually commercializes his 3 generations of humanoid robots, Gen 1 will primarily perform the simplest household tasks, such as interacting with some devices and autonomously controlling them upon your request. Of course, the utility for this first generation will certainly be limited. Instead, the Optimus Gen 2 will focus on maximizing the task more with the 11 degrees of freedom at its hands from this generation. Tesla can put it into the factory, as Elon Musk confirmed that there are 2 Optimus robots in the Fremont factory that are doing the task of picking up 4680 cells off the end of the line and placing them in shipping containers. And there are actually quite a few of these robots moving around Tesla's offices in Palo Alto. So the Gen 2 version will be working at both the Tesla factory and outside facilities. Finally, the next generation's Gen 3 or any high-end version will mainly be sold as a homemaker, dedicated to external customers. This will be the version expected to perform all the tasks we assign with the upgrade from 11 degrees of freedom to 22 degrees of freedom, almost equal to 27 degrees of freedom on human hands. Tesla will focus heavily on Gen 3 to make them as perfect as possible. So, in the end, we will have 3 different prices for 3 different versions. According to our prediction, the starting price is $20,000 to $60,000 for the 3 versions, but the price of these will get reduced over time, and the reason we can buy Optimus cheaply is that Tesla will sell its robots with many incentive programs. For example, Tesla offering Optimus discount vouchers when customers buy Tesla electric cars, that's entirely possible and is a very smart marketing strategy with many potential benefits. This combined promotion can attract more potential customers to Tesla's electric cars, especially those interested in the Optimus robot and its potential applications. Providing a discount for Optimus can increase the attractiveness of buying Tesla electric cars, thereby contributing to increasing sales. Back to Tesla being able to produce Optimus at a very low cost. Elon Musk talks more about Tesla's advantages in building robots that
We have the resources to do that. It applies quite well. And then you also have to have the brain. You need a power efficient inference computer, which we've got for the car, and we'll be using an Optimus.
There's no denying that Tesla's biggest advantage in producing cheap humanoid robots is that they have experience creating electric vehicles, and it's not too difficult to go into mass production when the speed is stable in the start. Even the Cybertruck was initially considering a production hell, but it's easy to see that Tesla has accelerated very quickly with the pickup truck. What makes us even more confident that we can produce Optimus for under $20K a unit is that Tesla already has a very good foundation in AI, and that's through many years of developing FSD systems for electric vehicles. The manufacturer just cleverly transferred to the robot without having to start from scratch. With Elon's support, the steps for AI to Tesla bot are even faster and better because, he is very good at it. Because of this, Elon Musk is particularly confident that his robot can handle a variety of tasks, from simple to complex.
You need to be the best in real-world AI, and Tesla's the best in real-world AI.
But having enough components and parts to produce a humanoid robot is not everything. As Elon Musk admitted that the speed to bring Optimus robot to market soon also depends on the manufacturer's working team. And Elon Musk added this about Tesla's advantage.
So we have the world's best electrical engineering. I think we've got the world's best mechanical engineering for gearboxes and for electric motors, power electronics.
Elon believes that Tesla has the manufacturing capabilities, the engineering expertise, and the AI platform to make Optimus a success at a low cost. While it may take longer to achieve some of these goals, Elon believes that Tesla will achieve them, and possibly before any other humanoid robotics company. Why Optimus is more insane than you think. If you're over 30, consider how much smartphones have changed society and daily life. Optimus could be more capable than our smartphone. So it's hard to imagine how it and similar things will change life. Tesla has applied a unique design approach to Optimus and plans for it to replace humans in boring or risky jobs. But instead of being seen as a machine, Elon Musk wants you to see Tesla's Optimus robot as a friend. Elon Musk shared that
Major hardware revision, which should be done by end of this year or early next, and then we'll move into a limited production next year of Optimus.
This indicates that Tesla is preparing for a significant leap in robot technology. Optimus's hardware includes joints, bones, motors, sensors, and mechanisms that enable the robot to move and function like a human. This hardware upgrade promises to enhance Optimus's performance and capabilities, making it more flexible and powerful. For example, Optimus could potentially perform delicate tasks like playing the piano or threading a needle, as Elon Musk has previously mentioned. These tasks require high precision and dexterity. Additionally, the flexibility provided by the new joints could improve the robot's speed and efficiency, surpassing current limitations on movement speed, which have been likened to that of a certain president. Speaking at the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity, Musk discussed Tesla's ambition for its humanoid robot. I think people will start to regard their personal Optimus robot as a sort of friend, he said, likening it to a character of pop culture icon Star Wars robot R2-D2. While he clarified that Tesla is not currently planning to make Optimus look like a person, Musk joked that the company wanted to make the robot good-looking. The Tesla CEO said the fully functional bots would be capable of performing a wide range of tasks, acting as a sort of personal assistant for a household. You can just ask it to walk your dog, take care of your house, babysit the kids, cook dinner, play the piano, so it's a generalized humanoid robot, he said. The way we see it, the number of tasks Tesla Bot can perform will indeed be enhanced with each update, similar to how full self-driving capabilities in Tesla's EVs are progressively improved in terms of quality over time. We've had an experience of updating software over the air with Tesla's FSD software. Tesla releases new versions and the car performs much better than before. We've seen this directly with Tesla's electric vehicles and have been monitoring the development progress of Tesla's FSD for several years, noticing significant improvements leading towards comprehensive functionality, possibly becoming more widespread by the end of the year. However, with a humanoid robot like Optimus, Tesla isn't just aiming for it to be a robot that performs simple tasks like folding clothes, cleaning the house, or moving objects. Tesla's true ambition is to create a comprehensive robot capable of performing every human motion and capability, modeled after human body habits and achieving levels of freedom akin to the human body. Therefore, the range of tasks that this humanoid robot can perform may rival what humans can do with subsequent upgrades. So with the over-the-air software updates, we anticipate seeing incredible advancements in the future. You might need to spend an additional few $100s for additional features for Optimus. For example, with a software update, the humanoid robot could learn to do much more than before. If it initially knows how to cook 1,000 dishes, with updates, it could learn 2,000 or 5,000 dishes at first, then 8,000 dishes, and eventually 10,000 dishes. Musk once said that we can customize Optimus according to our personality and language, and it'll work based on those settings. With each update, it'll become more adept at analyzing user emotions and expressions in various situations to act accurately. For example, if you cry, it could automatically offer a hug or fetch a tissue for you to wipe your tears. This could be a true companion that nobody wants to miss out on. If you compare this with other superior artificial intelligence models like ChatGPT, each new version from 3.5 to 4.0 and beyond to 5.0 has seen significant improvements. However, when compared to Tesla's humanoid robot, the differences become more pronounced. Tesla's humanoid robot not only updates knowledge, but also develops new physical skills. Speaking of language, Optimus can be customized in language and Musk suggests it as a potential teacher for educating children. Whereas ChatGPT can only speak, Optimus can describe through actions in an effort to help young children understand lessons and become more interested in learning. We believe this is one of the key benefits to consider for an Optimus. Although ChatGPT is continually upgraded, it ultimately cannot enter the kitchen, it can't fix bathrooms or help with gardening, tasks that a humanoid robot can indeed perform. Therefore, the software updates for humanoid robots not only enhance knowledge, but also expand their capability to perform physical tasks. Elon Musk believes that due to their complex and diverse tasks Optimus can perform, each person will be able to have their own robot, and there will be others working in various industries. This suggests that robots could outnumber humans in the future. Musk has touted Tesla's Optimus robot as one of the company's most valuable assets. I think Optimus will be worth more than everything else combined, Musk said during a Tesla's earnings call in April. Elon said, because if you have a humanoid robot with vision that can do physical tasks, then there's no significant limit to what it can do in terms of scale of the economy. According to Musk, next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla, and things are going to scale up rapidly from there. This is truly shocking and staggering to imagine that within just a year, thousands of robots could potentially flood Tesla's factories, replacing humans in many mundane and hazardous manufacturing jobs. This announcement comes in the context of Tesla's recent decision to lay off 10% of its workforce, a move that sparked controversy and concern. However, as Musk has stated, the deployment of Optimus robots could serve as a positive signal to offset these layoffs. With a rapid increase in the number of robots, Tesla aims not only to enhance efficiency and productivity, but also to unlock new potentials in optimizing industrial processes. This also affects Elon's vision for the future, where technology and automation play pivotal roles in driving development and innovation. The pace of this development promises to comprehensively reshape how we perceive manufacturing and industry in the near future. From the outside, Tesla may appear to be an EV manufacturing company involved in robotics, but in reality, Tesla is an AI and robotics company that happens to produce cars. They could be considered a global leader in real-world AI with their self-driving program. They are rapidly becoming a leader in the robotics field, potentially surpassing all other areas of Tesla combined. In the Tesla 2024 shareholders meeting, Elon confidently declared the ratio of humanoid robots to humans will be greater than 1-to-1. There will be more than 10 billion humanoid robots in the world, probably 20 or more. This shows that he believes that the demand for Optimus robots will be so great that 20 billion units will actually be enough to satisfy the market. With production rates reaching tens of millions of units per year, each family could very well want to own 2 to 3 Optimus robots. A robot can be used for cooking and household chores, another for child care and elder care, and another one for home security. This reflects his vision of the future, where humanoid robots not only replace manual labor, but also interact and assist humans in various fields. With immense demand, it's not EVs, but Optimus that is considered the magic weapon, expected to greatly increase Tesla's value beyond $25 trillion. Musk made this prediction right after his $56 billion compensation package was approved by shareholders for the second time, following a rejection by a Delaware judge. He emphasizes that Optimus, one of the final humanoid robots to enter the market, could be compared to C-3PO and R2-D2 from Star Wars. It remains unclear how long Musk believes it'll take for Tesla to reach the $25 trillion valuation. By 2030, electric vehicles are expected to account for 35 to 40% of total new car sales. While it's undeniable that electric vehicles are currently more expensive than their fossil fuel counterparts, this price difference is expected to decrease as the cost of components, particularly batteries, goes down. Another key factor that can help reduce production costs for all vehicles, especially electric ones, is the advanced integration of robots in manufacturing. Tesla, a pioneer in this field, Robot Optimus with AI-5 software, upgraded tenfold compared to the previous hardware, will play an important role. How will the Tesla Bot Gen 3 participate in the production of batteries for Tesla's Model 2? What key enhancements has Elon Musk committed to implementing for Optimus prior to its 2025 market debut? At the annual shareholder meeting, Elon Musk confidently predicted that the majority of Tesla's long-term value would come from Optimus, and he's very confident in that prediction. Top experts estimate Tesla's valuation to be over $5 trillion based solely on the self-driving capability of its vehicles, excluding Optimus. That's quite accurate, but it becomes even more mind-blowing when you think about the Optimus robot, which is essentially a humanoid robot designed to do anything you want. It can be your companion, it can be in your home, it can babysit your kids, it can teach, it can be an excellent teacher, and it can do factory work. Ultimately, how many super helpful humanoid drones would you want? Who would want a C-3PO? With C-3PO plus R2-D2 plus, it'd be pretty amazing. I'll bet everybody in the world would want one, literally everyone. And then there'd obviously be robots in the industry, making everything. Musk also suggested that the ratio of humanoid robots to humans would probably be at least 2 to 1, something like that, certainly 1 to 1. This means that around 10 billion humanoid robots, possibly 20 or 30 billion of them. And if Tesla only has 10% of that market, it could be more than 10%. Musk could probably produce around 100 million Optimus robots every year. Because of the large quantity, they would create a robot at a very high-scale cost of around $10,000. It'd be cheaper than a car, and if we think Musk sells it for $20,000, Tesla would basically earn about $1 trillion in profit each year from that. If the price-to-earnings ratio is below 20 or 25, something like that, it means that Optimus alone would have a market capitalization of $20 trillion, and possibly another 5 to 10 trillion from self-driving cars. So as we see it, it's entirely conceivable that Tesla could achieve a valuation 10 times that of the most valuable company today. That seems to be why Musk is so focused on AI. Additionally, Tesla will ensure that these robots behave well and act appropriately while working, which is pretty important. Tesla is also a leader in real-world AI. Tesla's ahead of Google, Meta, anyone in real-world software, and it's getting better, I'd say, with each passing month, if not each week. Notably, Tesla is quite skilled in chip design, so the AI interference chips designed by Tesla for cars have AI Hardware 3, and cars produced in the past year have Hardware 4. They just completed the design on Hardware 5, and now they're moving on to AI 5. In chip design, it's like starting from scratch in AI software and having the best real-world AI software and the best AI inference chips in the world from nothing. This is a major issue requiring extremely important research for Optimus. Hardware 4 runs Hardware 3 in simulation mode. Therefore, significant progress will continue to be made on Hardware 3, but by the end of this year, work will really split, continuing on Hardware 3, training on Hardware 3, but then conducting separate training on Hardware 4, which will be the type of training cluster being built on the south side of the Gigafactory. With Hardware 4, the cameras have about 4 to 5 times better resolution, and depending on how you count, Hardware 4 is about 3 to 8 times better than Hardware 3. But everything you've seen so far is just Hardware 3, and we still have a long way to go before reaching the limits of Hardware 3. So we believe Hardware 3 will still achieve amazing things, but I think Hardware 4 will likely be about 5 times better. Then Hardware 5 coming out in about 18 months will be 10 times better than Hardware 4. Therefore, what Tesla will gradually do is improve the reliability that the car achieves, and then of course, this will also be incorporated into Optimus. The same chip going into Hardware 4 will be put into Optimus. Hardware 5 transition into AI 5 will be in Optimus in all the cars in about 18 months. Elon Musk is very proud of his humanoid robot, which is actually performing useful tasks in the factory right now. Currently, there are 2 Optimus robots in the Fremont factory essentially performing this task, taking cells off the line and placing them into shipping containers. In the near future, they're expected to participate in the production of new generation cars, possibly the $25,000 Model 2. With the previous plan to move limited production of Optimus next year, limited production for use in our factories where we will test the product. But I think next year, my prediction is that they'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla. And everything will scale up very quickly from there. So it'll help Tesla address any issues detected with Optimus. The level of autonomy will improve drastically. Literally, you'll be able to talk to it, say, do this task, or I will show you something. Now do what I'm showing you. Promisingly, this will reach a level where it can watch a video of something, such as a person, then learn just by watching that video, and then perform the task. So it's going to make a really big splash when it hits the market next year. You're seeing a lot of startups in robotics, but we think executing Optimus as a robotics startup is quite challenging. Because what we found is, to make Optimus work, you have to design everything from first principles, from scratch, every part of the robot. So the motors, gearbox, sensors, power electronics, communication systems, everything has to be designed from the ground up. So even though there are many electric motors manufactured worldwide, there's no supply chain for these types of motors, sensors, and gearboxes that's needed for humanoid robots. What you're seeing here is our current generation, a hand and arm with 11 degrees of freedom. Our next generation will have 22 degrees of freedom. It'll be able to play the piano. Of course, we need to ensure that we don't encounter a Terminator scenario. That's crucial. So the safety of humanoid robots is going to be very important. But because it requires so much foundational design, designing every motor, gearbox, sensor, power electronics from scratch, it's very difficult for a startup, if not impossible, to mimic that. But at Tesla, they have the world's best engineering technology. They have the world's best mechanical engineering for gearboxes and electric motors and power electronics. So they have the resources to do that, and it's applied quite well. And then, of course, there needs to be a brain. It requires an energy-efficient inference computer that's already equipped for cars and will be used in Optimus. And then expertise in large-scale manufacturing is also required. Therefore, to create a robot that doesn't cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, to make it priced around $10,000 to $20,000, it really needs to be designed for efficient production and manufacturing. Elon Musk has previously mentioned that prototyping is relatively easy compared to mass production. Roughly speaking, prototyping is easy, production is hard. Tesla has manufacturing capability, technical expertise, and artificial intelligence in both hardware and software. Tesla's CEO addressed questions about integrating Tesla Optimus into various industries and its potential capabilities. He envisioned a future where the Optimus robot would be widely used, customizable, and able to learn user preferences. You'll be able to customize its personality, customize its voice, and truly the robot will get to know you and learn your preferences. You won't even have much to say because it'll understand you. Musk discussed the necessity of specific training programs for tasks and the development towards broader adaptability by 2026. This process aims to enable Optimus to efficiently perform diverse tasks, reflecting advancements in integrating robots across different fields. How does Tesla Optimus' involvement in the battery production for the Model 2 contribute to improving quality? Integrating Tesla Optimus into the battery production process and various components for the Model 2 electric vehicle promises significant benefits in manufacturing efficiency and potentially revolutionizing the EV industry. First, how would Gen 3 contribute to assembling the Model 2 batteries? Optimus can use its flexible robotic arms to install battery cells into casings, connect electronic components, and seal batteries with adhesive or welding. Its precision handling capabilities enable it to perform tasks more accurately and consistently than humans, thereby improving battery quality and reducing errors. Additionally, Optimus is equipped with 2D cameras and advanced sensors to automatically inspect batteries, including visual checks, examining cells for defects or damage, and assessing battery performance. Optimus can detect minor flaws that humans might overlook, thereby enhancing battery quality and reducing defective product rates. For transportation and energy, Tesla's robots can utilize robotic arms and integrated forklifts to safely and efficiently move batteries within the factory from one area to another. Optimus can lift and transport heavy batteries easily, minimizing the risk of accidents for workers and improving transportation efficiency. Moreover, Optimus will also handle battery recycling. It can use robotic arms and specialized tools to dismantle batteries, recover valuable materials such as lithium, cobalt, nickel, and then sort them for recycling. Optimus can safely and efficiently disassemble batteries, helping reduce environmental pollution and conserve resources. Integrating Tesla Optimus into the Model 2 battery production process significantly enhances productivity and product quantity. It increases productivity by up to 25% and reduces direct labor costs by up to 15%. Optimus can operate continuously 24/7 without rest, helping maintain uninterrupted production processes. This surpasses manual labor, typically operating in 8-hour shifts with breaks. Moreover, Optimus can operate in harsher environments where humans might find it challenging. Think high temperatures or hazardous chemical environments. Furthermore, Optimus can be utilized for other tasks in the battery production process, such as equipment maintenance, factory cleaning, and data collection. Using Optimus for these tasks can improve accuracy, efficiency, and safety in the battery production process, while reducing costs and waste. For other components of the Model 2 electric vehicle, does Optimus participate? Certainly, it can efficiently support manufacturing, ensuring optimal quantity and quality. Optimus can assist in welding, assembly, and finishing the vehicle frame, including tasks like welding steel bars, installing suspension parts, and steering systems. Gen 3 can perform welding processes more accurately and consistently than humans, thereby enhancing frame quality and minimizing errors. Optimus's enhanced capabilities allow it to handle large and heavy frame components with ease, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of accidents for workers. Optimus can also support stamping, welding, and assembling car body panels, including tasks such as stamping metal sheets, welding joints, and installing doors. Optimus can execute tasks with high precision, improving body panel quality and reducing errors. Its sophisticated handling capabilities enable it to perform complex operations like welding narrow joints or installing smaller exterior parts. Regarding the drivetrain system, Optimus can support assembling drivetrain components, including engines, gearboxes, and drive shafts. Optimus can perform assembly operations more accurately and efficiently than humans, enhancing the quality of the drivetrain system and reducing noise and vibrations. Optimus can operate in enclosed or dirty environments where humans find it difficult to work. Optimus is designed with significantly higher precision and reliability compared to manual labor. The robot's sensors and control systems ensure all operations are performed with absolute accuracy, minimizing errors and enhancing product quality. For instance, a study by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that's MIT, demonstrated that robots can reduce production defects to below 1% compared to the average human error rate, which ranges from 5 to 10%. Additionally, Optimus can perform automated quality checks, detecting potential flaws that human eyes might overlook. Production speed is also greatly improved due to Optimus's ability to operate tools and execute assembly tasks quickly and synchronously. Automating manufacturing processes optimizes workflows, reduces wait time between stages, and increases production speeds. According to a report by the International Productivity and Creativity Organization, IPC, automation can boost production speeds by up to 30%. Unreal. While the initial investment costs for deploying Optimus robots may be high, in the long run, it reduces direct labor costs and maintenance expenses while improving cost efficiency. Estimates suggest that robot maintenance costs are typically under 20% compared to managing and maintaining human staff. Optimus is also integrated with advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and modern sensors, optimizing production processes and early detecting manufacturing defects. These factors not only help Tesla increase productivity, but also ensure product quality remains consistently high. Integrating Optimus into the Model 2 battery production process is indeed a significant step forward in improving and modernizing industrial manufacturing processes. In Tesla's factory, workers can guide robots by recording actions that robots will then replicate. Optimus can be taught to handle repetitive and mundane tasks, relieving humans from performing them. Tesla's robots also automatically pause when humans are nearby. In addition, combined with another enhancement, autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, these can enhance efficiency by navigating dynamic and complex environments both inside and outside. AMRs facilitate convenient movement of parts around the factory floor among production areas. Looking at the advantages of using Gen 3 bots in the battery industry to produce affordable vehicles. Handling large and heavy tray assemblies, automating with robots is the most logical solution due to their capability to manage such sizable components. Some battery trays for vehicles can be as large as 6 by 8 feet and weigh nearly 300 pounds. The weight, size, and precise positioning requirements of these parts make robotic use a smart choice. Complex processes cannot be overlooked. From moving heavy blanks or applying adhesive for a tray assembly to metal drilling, manufacturing battery tray assemblies involve multiple stages, including gas metal arc welding or GMAW and resistance spot welding, also known as RSW. Widely favored by automotive manufacturers for lightweighting, reducing vehicle part weight to improve fuel efficiency, the use of aluminum alloys is driving demand for alternative welding methods such as self-piercing rivets like Henrob, fixed and remote laser welding, as well as hybrid laser welding. Depending on the assembly tray design, i.e. casting design, Optimus's involvement in coordination with large robotic arms may also be necessary. However, most would agree that the presence of Gen 3 in the factory is significantly enhancing workplace safety compared to previous applications that listed current risks and potential harm to humans. From lifting heavy parts and repetitive tasks to inhaling hazardous fumes during adhesive distribution, you should utilize robots for these potentially dangerous activities. As an additional benefit, Tesla's robotic automation for these tasks can free up humans to perform higher value-added activities such as path programming, quality inspection, or technical support. The anticipated release of new Tesla products in 2025 featuring the Optimus Gen 3 robot in the Model 2 marks a pivotal moment in technology. Optimus Gen 3 will not only revolutionize automation, but also plays a crucial role in the production of the affordable and innovative Model 2. This synergy is set to redefine both industries, making advanced technology more accessible and setting new standards for convenience and efficiency. Tesla's breakthroughs in robotics and electric cars are poised to make 2025 a landmark year for technological progress. But ultimately, get ready to witness an unprecedented change in daily life. By 2026, the Optimus robot will be capable of everything from cooking and cleaning to engaging in more complex tasks like medical support and scientific research. The arrival of Optimus will mark a major turning point, bringing new and unexpected experiences to humans. What we once only saw in sci-fi movies will now become a reality within reach. So, would you buy an Optimus robot? And what do you think's interesting about this humanoid robot? Drop us a comment below. We hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.